Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, it's been a little while since you guys seen this thing, but got some parts in hand and gotta do a little checking on this thing. I could probably do it all in the trailer and put some new coils on, couple of plugs where the coils go. I'm gonna replace those, do some testing, continuity tests, power tests. Last time we was out with this thing, we took it to a test and tune after FL2K, and what happened? Oh, the coils was only two coils were firing, so the car didn't run. I didn't make it pass. We just messed around with the all-wheel drive car that day. So today I'm going to do some testing with these wires, make sure everything is everything. I got new coils to replace all four. These are the old coils. I got four new ones I'm gonna replace. I see I got my multimeter. I got a couple other things I'm gonna replace, see if it'll start, and then dig more into it as far as fresh maintenance for the upcoming season. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we got all these pulled back. I'm gonna replace all of these connectors. I got all new ones right here. So let's get these clipped off. I think I'm just gonna pull them out one at a time, clip it, put it onto the new piece, so that way I know exactly where they're going and for what coil it's supposed to be hooked up to. Yo, so we got a new plugs on, or new connectors. Now I'm trying to mount the new coils on the little bracket. Here are the old ones. These two are still good. The other ones I just threw in the trash. So I'm gonna get these all finished, mounted up. Then I guess we can test fire, see if it works. We got the coils hooked back up, wires back on. Nothing left to do but moment of truth and see if it starts. So check it out. The switch. We got power. Shows out of gear. We got power there. All right, let's see. It's cold. Try it again. Well, she runs. So now I'm gonna get this thing in the garage, get it all pulled apart. That's crazy that now that I know it runs, I'm gonna actually pull it all apart. But I'm gonna pull a swap out so I can check the trans. I'm gonna pull the motor apart so I can check how the health of the motor is, bearings, valves, all that stuff. Gonna fill this block, and then once that's done, I can put it all back together. I'm going to make a few changes. I'm going to fix intercooler piping. Probably putting some new couplers on there. This radiator situation, I'm going to move the wastegate dump to, I guess, under the car or something, so the radiator can actually fit right here. And just tighten up a few things. So that's what we're gonna do. I guess I'm probably gonna end the video off right here. Nice, quick, to the point video. And I'll bring y'all back when I get it in the garage. Probably won't be till tomorrow, but as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Wish me luck on this season of 2024. X front wheel drive, sport front wheel drive, whatever you want to call it. I'll chase for the 7-second range. Deuces.